What up everyone, welcome to Study Enthusiastic and I'm back with another video. In this video we will discuss the chapter 2 of Spectrum series, that is the advent of the Europeans in India. So let's get started. So starting of the modern history phase of India. So we generally consider the starting of modern Indian history period from when the Europeans started coming to India, that is in the 15th century. So keep it in mind, modern Indian history phase of India starts from the 15th century. So let's move ahead. So series of Europeans came to India. In which series they came to India? So first were Portuguese, we all know that. Second were Dutch, oh we all don't know that. Third were English. Fourth were French and fifth were Dutch. Third were English. Keep it in mind. Here just is overview. We will go through each and every European company in next videos. Till then, let's move to the next slide. So why did they want to find sea route to India? This is the major question. Why did they actually want to find the sea route? Because land route is already available. Here is the, wait, let me just take the pointer into the red. So here is the field. So here is the land route, here is Europe, and we can reach from Europe to India via land route easily. But why they want to find the sea route, the long sea route to India? So there were many reasons behind that. Let's see one by one. First were the Roman Empire decline in 7th century. So this leads to, after that, Arab established their dominance in Egypt and Persia, which is the main trading route. So direct contact between Europeans and India declined because Arabs established the intermediaries and act as intermediaries and earn so much profit through this. Third is easily accessible commodities like spices, calico, silk, various precious stones, and their demand was affected because the Roman Empire declined in 7th centuries. The next reason was in 1453 the Constantinople fell to Ottoman Turks. Here is the Constantinople and here is the major trade route, that is the Red Sea route. So therefore Constantinople fell to Ottoman Turk and so Turk earned major revenues. So this will lead Portuguese to search for the another sea route. Third reason was, as we have already seen, monopoly of Islamic rulers earned tremendous revenues. Merchandise from India went to European markets through Arab Muslim intermediaries and these earned huge profits through that. Here is the Red Sea, right? Here is the Red Sea and here is the Europe. So Europeans go through this route, right? So if they are going through, so they have to pay tremendous revenues to the Arab rulers. And if we neglect the sea route, Red Sea route, so there were another option, that is trading via land route. But there were also the problem in land route, and which the problem is the land routes to India were also controlled by Arab. So this is the major problem, and always the problem comes with solution. So what's the solution? The solution is to find the major sea route to India, excluding these intermediaries. So here this became the major reason to find the direct sea route to India. Fourth major reason was 15th century the Renaissance in Europe. So therefore the great advances in art of shipbuilding and navigation leads to eagerness for sea voyages and to reach the unknown corner of the east. So here is the shipbuilding art and this leads to the complex mind to find the new sea route to India. They were passionate about to find the new routes to unknown corners of the east to earn huge profits. Fifth reason were economic development in many regions in Europe. Expansion of land under cultivation, improved law, scientific crop management such as crop rotation, increased supply of meat, and to prepare meat that required spices which are available in the Indian continent. Demand for oriental luxury goods leads to the sea voyagers to find the sea route. So these were the main 6 reasons. You can make each sub reason as the main reason, that's no issue in that. So let's move ahead. Venice and Genoa, earlier the prosperous through trade, but they were too small to take on mighty Ottoman Turks or to take up major explorations on their own. So they helped the Portuguese. So the North Europeans were ready to aid Portugal and Spain with money and men, even as the Genoese were ready to provide ships and technical knowledge also. We all know that Portuguese find out sea route to India, but actually there were the hard work of all these small European nations like Venice and Genoa, which were advanced in ship technology and navigation technology, helped the Portuguese to find out the sea route, the major sea route to India. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will discuss about how Portuguese reached to the Indian shores. And one thing I want to share with you is that I'm keeping the lecture time up to 5 to 10 minutes only, covering each and every concept because it's easy to listen the 5 to 10 minutes lecture rather than to listen the half an hour lecture, and this will also help you to cover small concepts in just 5 to 10 minutes. So that's it, see you in the next video.